G'day everybody, Matt here, and today I've got one of the Noctua NH-D15 CPU coolers to unbox. Now this is a fairly sizable box for a CPU cooler, and when you look at the specs, it weighs almost a kilo on its own with just the one fan. Add two fans and we're at 1.32 kilos. So it's a pretty decent weight, decent size. So let's open this box up and check out what the cooler actually comes with. So in the top of our box here, we've got an accessories box. Underneath that, we've got two more boxes, a big one and a small one by the looks. This one is a second fan, the second NFA15 PWM fan. And then this one appears to be the heatsink itself. So that's it, that's nothing else hiding in there. Okay, so here's our three boxes. In the big one, we've got our heatsink, so let's check that one out first, shall we? Open it up, and yeah, she's a big one. So, this is really well packed, really sturdy. Alright, so that is our heatsink. It's got one fan inside it in the center already. Then over here in this box, we've got our second fan. So that's it there. And then last off, in our accessories and mounting box, we've got two different mounting systems that come with this, depending on what socket you need. So it suits both Intel and AMD sockets. And so we've actually got three different manuals here for LGA 20XX, LGA 115X and AMD sockets. So three quick start guides depending on what socket CPU you're using. We've got our common parts. This is a whole bunch of accessories here. Power cables for the fans, thermal paste, a fan mounting, and looks like there's a few other little bits in there. So you'll use those regardless of what CPU type you have. And then we've got mounting for the AMD socket. And over here is mounting for Intel sockets, including a backing bracket. So for Intel, we've got a whole bunch of screws and mounting points there as well. And just like the AMD one's a little bit different. And then also in the box here, we have a screwdriver there for actually doing the installation. So that's pretty cool that we've actually come with one of those, because that's going to be pretty awkward, I imagine, actually getting into some of those locations to screw it in. So that's it. That's everything that comes standard in the box with the NH-D15 CPU cooler from Noctua. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.